Is your rebar tying tool failing to power on, responding intermittently, or completely unresponsive when you pull the trigger? A faulty switch base assembly may be interrupting the tool's electrical activation and preventing normal operation. Welcome to WholeToolBox. In this troubleshooting guide, we'll show you how to quickly diagnose the switch base assembly in your rebar tying tool. The switch base assembly is located inside the main handle housing, directly behind the trigger mechanism, where it connects with the internal wiring harness. It links the trigger input, battery power supply, and motor activation circuit. When this component fails, the tool may stop working, respond inconsistently, or show delayed activation. Common causes include heavy-duty use, internal contact wear, vibration damage, loose wiring connections, dust buildup, or long-term electrical stress. These issues often lead to no response, intermittent operation, or complete power loss. Before starting, always remove the battery and work in a safe, well-lit area. For this quick check, you'll need a screwdriver set, a flashlight, and optionally a multimeter. Start by checking the trigger movement. If it feels normal but the tool doesn't respond, open the handle and inspect all wiring connections for looseness or damage. Then observe the switch for smooth mechanical movement when the trigger is pressed. If wiring is fine but the tool still fails, test continuity across the switch. Unstable or missing readings usually indicate internal failure. Also look for burn marks, cracks, heat damage, or moisture inside the housing. After completing all diagnostic steps, if the switch base assembly is confirmed to be faulty, it will need to be replaced. Replacement is required. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement part. For quality replacement parts and repair essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more troubleshooting tips, repair guides, and maintenance content. Thanks for watching.